Exclusive live radar and 9-day forecast, so you'll know first. This is First Alert Weather.
We got word Chiefs won. So all we can stress about now is, the weather or something. But it's going to be nice for you.
I'm going to put the icing on the cake.
There you go.
It's going to get a rain chance and cooler air on the way.
There you go.
So there we go.
There you go.
As for tomorrow, though, we get one more, somewhat of a hot day. 67 when you're catching the bus in the morning, and then by afternoon, the high today, or high tomorrow will be about 87, 88. Sunny and warm, but like I said, it's going to be slowly declining as we get to especially Wednesday. So Monday and Tuesday, 2 more days of this kind of like above normal temperature. Then a good chance of rain late Tuesday night into Wednesday, followed by some cooler air, which is actually going to, normally we should be about 74 for a high. We're going to be below that for daytime highs, talking about the end of next week through next weekend. So we're going from one side to the other, just like that pendulum. Arrowhead Stadium, Beyonce, 70 degrees. Relative humidity at 66%. Wind speeds about 9 miles an hour from the southeast direction. And we've had good to fair quality when it comes to air quality for the past couple of days. Temperature-wise, Maryville, you're at 77. St. Joseph at 66. Trenton, Chillicothe, 72, 75. Lawrence, Ottawa, and Garnett still holding on to the low to mid-70s. Really don't see much dropping besides that until we get to the after midnight, probably into the 60s we go. As for wind flow, about southeast direction, anywhere from 5 to 9 miles an hour. I think they'll pick up the pace again by tomorrow afternoon, maybe up to 15 miles an hour max, but nothing really strenuous. All right, cloud cover, just like the past couple of days, hardly anything at all. Look how quiet it is across the Central Plains, Midwest, East Coast. In fact, the nearest precipitation would be in the form of rain, of course, over the Oklahoma Panhandle through northern Texas, and that's really about it. It's not difficult to see what part of the country has been baking the past few days, well above normal, and there we are, right in the middle of it, 70 degrees and 76 in Wichita, and that is going to continue for one more day, especially with the temperatures in the upper 80s. So we'll call it about 88 for tomorrow afternoon's high. Wind speeds about 5 to 10 plus, let's say mile per hour, gusting up to 15. And then on Tuesday, it'll feel better, 85. You're going to have rain moving in after, let's say, after 7 o'clock. That rain chance will continue, better chance of it, be Wednesday morning through early afternoon, high of 76. I talked about the cooler air, 73 for a high on Thursday. The normal high is 74, and look what happens as we get to this time next weekend. We're talking morning start in the low 40s and an afternoon high only 64 for Saturday, up to 69 on Sunday. So your taste of fall and fall weather just around the corner.